You know the biggest challenge with most stadium pitches is most of you guys are trying to sell a drill.
I love it. Met Tim last month, and his energy.
It's entertaining, it's informative.
I've been to a lot of sales trainings, and this is one of the best ones I've ever been to, no question.
This one's hilarious.
Yeah, for those of you that are like, well, do I leave my name and number at the beginning and the end? No, don't even leave a name and number because she's not calling me back. But what she's thinking is, who is this man?
I appreciate his style.
I think we can improve our sales 20% based on just what I've learned up to lunch.
I've been following Tim, in LinkedIn, and my boss is connected with him.
Show of hands, how many of you went to college and studied selling? Got a degree? Oh. So we got a bunch of accidental salespeople.
There's a lot of techniques that you're learning throughout the day.
Right? Because our friends that are lawyers, doctors, accountants, engineers, architects, they go to school, study their craft, and that's what they do for a living. We, on the other hand, are the misfits.
His ability to be raw and real with everybody is very impactful on how we do sales today.
You're telling me you don't think the customer's interested. Here's my hypothesis. I don't think it's a matter of the customer not being interested. I think it's a matter of you not being interesting.
I'm going to walk away with a lot more than I thought I was going to walk away with.
You're touching base and you're checking in and you're just like everybody else out there. Up your game.
I believe it's already helped in his cadences and his methodologies to grow our business and have better conversations.
I've been wanting to come to this for a long time, and I'm really impressed with what he does and how he does it.
They don't care that it's got a stepless speed switch, that it's got a lithium-ion battery removal. They don't care it's got an LED light. They don't care that it's got a torque adjustment. People go into the hardware store and buy a drill because they want that.
Percentage-wise, maybe so far, it's only been like a month and a half, maybe 30-40%, which is huge.
It all starts with desire. Nobody just wakes up and drifts into greatness. People wake up and make a decision, hey, I want to be number one. You got this.